Hey everybody, welcome back to TAZ's Wig Closet. One of the most frequently asked questions I get is about the beautiful ladies in my audience. I have 12 ladies back here at all times, and you may see them with different wigs on each time, but I get a lot of questions about identifying the wigs on these mannequins. So about a year ago, I started to identify those below each video. So to make it convenient for everyone, I have listed all of the mannequins and their respective reviews below the video in the description box. So what I'm going to do next is just give you a quick tutorial of how to locate the description box, how to expand it, and see the mannequins that I have listed there. So if you expand the description box and scroll down to where it says what's on my mannequins, I have them each listed there. So you'll see the letter and the corresponding review of each one of these beautiful ladies in the background. Run into one of those videos that does not have the mannequins listed underneath the video in the description box, feel free to ask. So stay tuned here for a short tutorial on how to locate the mannequins in my description box. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon on TAZ's Wig Closet.